Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lutfia Zara Kurniawan, and I would like to present about utilization of cow manure and vegetable waste as a simple energy source. Next is the background. Natural gas is an energy source that non-renewable also causes pollution when used. Nowadays, increased usage may support the fact that Indonesia's natural gas reserves are decreasing. According to DJ Migas data, from 2011 to 2017, Indonesia's conventional natural gas reserves have decreased from 152.9 trillion standard cubic feet to 142.72 trillion standard cubic feet, of which 100.36 trillion standard cubic feet is proven reserves and 42.36 trillion standard cubic feet is potential reserves. Therefore, it is necessary to have other alternative energy sources that can guarantee their sustainability and can be a substitute for this natural gas. Another problem in Indonesia is that waste management is not optimal, especially organic waste. The survey data states that at Mojongoso landfills in Surakarta, 48% of the 204.128 kilograms of waste that is built up per day is organic waste. In connection with these two things, biogas is one of the alternative solutions to overcome the above problems. Biogas is a fuel made from organic materials and can be a solid, liquid, or gas formed. In the manufacture of biogas, fermentation process occurs under anaerobic conditions to produce methane gas in a tool called digester. Based on several literature references, in the process of making biogas, there are stages of the fermentation process, which is the process of forming methane gas under anaerobic conditions in a digester, so that methane carbon dioxide gas will be produced that has a larger volume than hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas, and sulfuric acid. It takes a range of 7 to 10 days with an optimum temperature and an optimum pH in the range of 6.4 to 7.9 in the biogas fermentation process. The application of biogas from vegetable waste can reduce organic waste in the environment. This experiment uses materials in the form of cow manure and vegetable waste. From these materials, researchers would like to compare the volume of gas that formed from digester first, which contain only cow manure, and second digester contain cow manure and vegetable waste. In the method, we can see from the diagram 1 is the core research process of making biogas from two types of materials. The first is measure the composition of tools and material used, and then prepare the tools and materials. Next is make a digester. We make two digester, namely first digester contains only cow dung and second digester contain cow dung and vegetable waste. And then making biogas from the two types of materials. And then observe the amount of gas produced from each types of materials. Next is compares the number of results between two types of materials. And the last step is analyze the results of the study. And in the results and discussion, at the figure 1, we can see the digester form of biogas. In the table 1, we can see that the volume of the gas produced according to the observation day. Based on table 1, the largest gas volume in first digester is on the 18th day with a volume of 38.7 cm cubic, while the smallest gas volume is on the 16th day with a volume of 16.4 centimeter cubic. Meanwhile, the highest volume of gas produced by second digester is on the 22nd day with a gas volume of 91 centimeter cubic and the minimum gas volume on the 14th day with a gas volume of 28 centimeter cubic. Based on this result, it can be concluded that the volume of gas produced by the mixture of cow dung and vegetable is greater than the gas produced by only cow dung. This is according to Jumiati in 2014. It is because the substrate composition of the mixture of cow dung with vegetables is greater than only cow dung, so that the gas produced is faster and the volume produced is also large. The conclusion: with the help of cow dung as a starter, vegetable waste can be used as biogas material which later can be used as an alternative to natural gas, whose use continues to increase. Although there is a theory that states the energy will never run out, in the future there is a possibility that the supply of natural gas will not be able to meet the needs of the people which are increasing day by day. Therefore, in this case, it is important that this biogas is a possible alternative energy that can support people's gas needs. With the main ingredient of vegetable waste that is usually found by the community, biogas from vegetable waste and cow dung is likely to be preserved and can be used as an alternative to natural gas. So that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. If any question, please drop in Q&A forum at the below. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.